Good morning, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. We're back in the she shop and I have another product to try. So again, if you saw yesterday's video, Elie had recommended that I try this snow texture stuff. Well, she also recommended this product that we're going to try today on top of that textured one. So we're going to be working on our little house that we did yesterday. And we've got the snow texture all over the roof and the yard and all that good stuff. But then she said what made it look real, which made it look like pop, was the Aleene's glitter snow. And I've never tried this before, so we're trying it for the first time today. Not sponsored. I gotta remember to say all that stuff. Oh, it's got a seal on top of this one. Oh. Oh. It just looks like glitter snow, huh? I don't see glitter. I see snow. It says apply with a brush, a sponge, or a palette knife. Yeah, it's thick. All right, let's get you switched around and we're going to apply this. And she said that this makes it look real, like real snow. When you put this on it, like it gets sparkly. So we're going to do it. Let me get you switched around. We're going to try this out for the first time. One thing is certain, you are getting your money's worth. That is full right up to the top. Like, is there a air bubble in there somewhere? I don't think so. All right, we are going to paint this right over the top of the texture. And see how she does here. Some trust in Elie. Elie says this works great. We're going to do it. It'll be great to have this house out of the Doom Pile project, that's for sure. Am I doing it right? I don't know. Put a little frost on the sidewalk here. I didn't put any snow texture on the steps here, but frost, a little glitter frost up the sidewalk wouldn't be a bad idea. A tree a little better. All right, and then we let it dry. It looks like more glitter is appearing as it dries, which is interesting. This is interesting because that doesn't look like glitter at all. Like I can't see anything. And then I can now see like micro glitter appearing. All right, gotta let it dry. I mean, if that always fails, we could just hit it with some micro glitter. Just put some decoupage on it and micro glitter it. But we'll just leave it for now. Okay, Elie, I don't know. So now I took a popsicle stick and I mixed it. And you can kind of maybe see a little glitter. I don't see much glitter on there. Do you? And I certainly don't see it on the house. Like, there's nothing there. I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing it. I guess I can kind of see a little bit here and there, but you really gotta look. Like, I'm not seeing a little sparkle here and there. I don't know. You know what this does do? is it gives it the frost look. So look at the windows. So I painted all the windows. Why is this not focusing? Is that focusing? I painted all the windows with it, and it definitely gave them that kind of frost look on the windows. And that's cool. I did the little peaks the same way. It's got a little bit of a frost look to it. I did the chimney tops with a little bit of frost on it. Can I see glitter there? Not really. Not really. Like, kinda. Kinda. No. But you see the frost on the side of the chimney, but it's not really glittery. I don't know. I don't see the glitter. I feel like I need to get some glitter. But if you say there's glitter on this stuff, I want glitter. And it clearly says glitter snow. I want to see some sparkle. And I mean, I mixed it up thinking maybe it was like down at the bottom. But this is it mixed up. Kinda. Not really. I don't know. I think instead of this, what I would do is I would take the snow texture from yesterday that we put on first and maybe just hit it with some micro glitter while it's drying to give it that glitter look. I do like that this is a lighter, so when I painted it on, I can get that frost look. Like this stuff's much thicker. It's like a cakey material. This is still thick, but not the same. They're not the same. And so the one gives you that thick, cakey texture on all the details. And then this one, you can do a much lighter, frostier look. So I do like it for that. I do like it for that. I like the frosty look. Like the frost on the steps and the door looks really cute now, which I know on camera, it is so hard to get this thing to like show you the details. I think it has its place, but I wouldn't, if you want glitter, go for glitter. This would not be my choice for glitter snow. It's not glittering. We're not glittering. It's still super cute. Like this house now is going in the booth. Like it is super cute. It's all snowed up. It's just, you know, it's got its little moment now. It's having its moment. That peak is staying on there that we stuck on there yesterday. So that was the problem with this, was the peak was broken off, and now we've just put a little cap of snow on there and it fixed the problem. But yeah, so this was just okay. I don't think I would use this like looking for glitter. This is not glitter. This is just more of a frosty look. I don't see any glitter. You say glitter, I want glitter. You know, I want some micro glitter. Hang on. I feel like we need to get some glitter on this bad boy. So I've got iridescent micro glitter. Martha's. We love Martha. Got some Mod Podge. Let's just give it a glitter. And get a little... Let's mix up some glitter here. I still have these from the Dollar Tree. Love these. I'm definitely going to be buying more of these because I'm just going to dump some Mod Podge into my little vial here. And then we're going to load it up with some glitter. Oh, it's got one of those opening tops. I could just like, we're going to load it. Load it with some micro glitter. Ooh! I'm sparkly now. She's a sparkler. We can hear it so crunchy in here. All right, so now I've mixed glitter into the Mod Podge. And you can't see the micro glitter through the Mod Podge, but brilliant. The brilliance of this is I'm just going to slather it all over the roof here. Oh, me some glitter. Because when I say glitter, we're going to have some sparkle. And I'm just going to do the roof this way. Maybe I'll do a little more. Because I want to see some sparkle. Sparkle, baby, sparkle. I have a brush? Hang on. Got a little art brush. To kind of get it into the little crevices and stuff here. Because I want glitter. Get some on the birdhouse. The birds need glitter too. Oh yeah. Don't forget the yard. I know, I said I was just going to do the roof, and here I am. All right. Get some on that fence. I'll show you this in a minute. I'm not Aleene's, but now you can see glitter. You can actually see the glitter on it now. I'm going to let this dry and we'll see how it turns out. Because right now you're seeing a lot of the Mod Podge mixed in, but you can actually see a little sparkle on there now. Let's see. It's hard. It's so hard to show you guys glitter. Trust me. She's course skating now. She's the glittering. So now it has glitter on it. It's got that kind of sparkle, that winter wonderland sparkle that I'm looking for. We'll come back a little bit and see it dry. She's dry, kind of. And now she's glittery. Now you can even see it on the camera. Come on, aliens. That's what we want to see. We want to see glitter snow. So now it is super glittery. I've got a lot of glitter on there. It's cute though. All right, that's it for me, you guys. Thanks for watching. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.